Welcome back. Now, in order to create course access, we can go in two directions. One is we can make a link available to sell the course. The other we can do is we can give access to the course by allowing an individual to give us their name and email address associated with that course. To do that, what we're going to need to do is to go to the sales funnel page, and we're going to need to create a new sales funnel. If we're going to give the course away, what we're going to do is we're going to choose the funnel goal, which is to build an audience. And so in this case, that's what we're going to do. We're going to choose the set of templates to see to build an audience. The system is going to give you the option to customize a squeeze page and a thank you page together. So you're going to need to pick templates for both and customize them. So in this case, we're going to just choose one and we're going to click select. Now what we're then going to do is we're going to give this page a name. We're going to give the URL a specific path. We're then going to click edit page. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit the page according to the parameters that we want to set. We need to choose the action that happens when the individual clicks the button. And so we have control over this. What we can do is we can then say that we're going to send the individual to the next step. Now again, this is not a full-blown tutorial on customizing pages. You need to customize the page according to the method that you want. But we want to click Save Changes. And our page is now saved. We're now going to exit. What we now want to do is we want to set an automation rule. And we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.